Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Lexi Nardoni, as you can probably tell by the title. And today we're going to LA for the first of my LA diaries. I am already at my friend Sunny's house picking him up. And I still gotta pick up my friend Charlize. And a special guest today on our LA trip is Gatsby. We're going to a estate sale first, and it's in Beverly Hills. So that's about a little under an hour away. So I'll see you guys there. Material Girl!
Material Girl!
Street Butter by BTS! Estate sale time! Woo! Flea market! Going to the flea market.
Material Girl!
I love the material. I love the Melrose flea market. I'm excited. I want to go to the Silver Lake one too.
Is the Silver Lake one?
Yeah.
I thought we were going to that one.
Lunchtime! We're going to this place called Nick's on Beverly, and it's an all vegan restaurant, so I'm going to show you. Vegan food. Vegan food. Back in the car, and then time to go see the Hollywood sign. Purr. Purr. Wow. Okay, let's go home. Oh wait, there's two.
It's kind of funny.
You did it, Shirley. Okay, I gotta do it like with everyone else. Selfie. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just dropped off Sunny and Charlize, so I'm just gonna head home with Gatsby now. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to leave some video recommendations down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.